What are we driving?
Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You gonna take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
What do you guys want to do today?
We're gonna do some demo on the truck.
You want to do some demo? Clean this thing up? See what we're working with? And maybe we can get this front apart? And see what's left of the bed. This is probably the worst part of the whole truck. The bed, the back.
Probably.
And get ready to swap this out. Put the LS in here. Okay?
Play. Hey, Grandpa. Was this your truck?
Yeah, at one time. Yep.
Yep. Oh!
Like in the back? Huh? So I went back here? Yeah, that might the tire was back there.
That looks
I
good.
can handle that.
That looks good.
Those are still one piece. Those aren't too bad either. Those are pretty tough.
Is this the way they were built?
I don't know. I can't tell if that's the way they're built or somebody put some quarter and
I
steel
think
in
they
there.
cut the quarters off. Step on the gas pedal and
Might
go.
go up to the bar for some lunch. Work?
Yes and no.
Let's go.
Seats.
Want to clean them up? We'll throw them in there just for something to ride with for a while. All right. Give you guys something to do.
What?
Here we go, boys. I got you some seats. Oh, climb in. You're a boy. They're pretty bad, but it's better than a bucket. How's that? Get in shotgun. Shotgun. Other side. Oh, okay. You're driving?
Yes.
They're still pretty low, aren't they?
I said, it's not my truck. I said, it's not my truck.
Is that better?
Here you go. Here it is.
You got it all torn down?
Got it all torn down.
I don't think this belongs here. We're gonna cut that out. These look homemade. We're gonna cut those out. You see down in here? There's the new transmission mount we're gonna put turbo 350 in it. That's just sitting in there. But We'll get that fabbed in there later. I don't know if that can stay. Some of the stuff's got to come out. That steering box looks like it's going to be real close to being right in the way. This-
There's all the junk.
Indy's taking a nap.
Yeah, and it got to be on the steering wheel. But, hello. Wait, are you guys filming? Yes. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Alright, you done?